Welcome to a new video and episode on my BeagleBoard embedded system right here, running Ubuntu Linux, connected via HDMI, this cable, to this monitor, which is necessary to start the board nicely. I don't have a keyboard and mouse connected, so it goes idle. And last time I managed to switch on and off the monitor, in which case the view was nice again, but now the view is distorted again. So if you want to see that, please see the previous video. Also connected to the BeagleBoard is a small ribbon cable, which is connected to the serial port, connected to a Minicom serial terminal on the laptop that I use for virtual network computing, and USB cable, which is connected to this USB hub, through which I am connected to network and to this fischertechnik interface. Network cable runs right to to an Ethernet hub, network hub, so I can use it for VNC, and via this rubber interface I can control this roller track or marble run, whatever name you use, with marbles that are here, and they run from top down, and right here I can, by pressing this switch, make them run either this track or this track, and the problem still persists here. One time they go very nicely over this track, and next time they hold either here or here or here or here or wherever. At the end of this track there's a motor with chain, just like is here. From this position a little bit hidden, but let me position the camera here. So this chain takes the bullets and drops them over here, and this chain picks up the bullets here and drop them in here. At least that's the idea. So let's see, with the software written in Python, how things work out. So this is using VNC and other stuff. So in this window, using the VNC virtual screen, I start diagnosis software, through which I can control the whole of the rubber interface. Python idle editor, or the idle Python editor I should say, with my own code, controlling everything. And so this I start the code. This is, by the way, the Minicom terminal, which is necessary to boot it. Here you can see that the Minicom is connected via device TTY USB 0 on the laptop, and this is all the output for starting Ubuntu, which is necessary, and this is my IP address, or the IP address more properly, to BeagleBoard. Anyway, let's roll and see how things end up this time. All bullets are right here. The track is towards the curvy one, which goes wrong. So let's see whatever happens this time. last time oops, that was wrong, and another one goes wrong. That is not the intention, of course, but apparently the way it goes. This chain was set to go twice as fast. It doesn't run now, and now you can already see that the bullets are getting stuck here, here and here, rolling back. So I am adjusting manually. Again. Oh, now I know why it doesn't run. So let me stop. Okay. I am taking the camera carefully, and the reason why it stops is simply because the power connector is off. So let me connect. Now it's connected again, and let me just start the whole thing over. And yes, now it's a handheld camera. Go. And now the camera works again. The first bullet has been picked up again, but now the other bullets have to be picked up, which is not an easy task, apparently. There is one picked, and here goes another one wrong. So I have to, oh, and here are some more, so, okay, or more appropriate, not okay. One's coming down, and it stops right there. These are not picked up. Let me assist. It's running twice as fast as the other chain. And not being picked up. And I don't want to interfere too much, but it seems that it is necessary somehow. And by the way, everything is controlled through this BeagleBoard, as I already told you. So, why this is happening? Well, I suspect that the angle of this track here is not as steepy as this one. But how to control it? That's another question. Yeah, reconstruct it, but I already tried that. So let's see if I can try something with this. Right, now the biggest point is the difference here and here is that on this place the chain is located a little bit higher above the green track than right here. So I'm going to elevate this. And for that I have two of these pieces, one for each side. And one is going to be put right here, and the other one is going to be put right here. And to make sure that none of the balls will go stray, I put them here. So let's see if I can manage this. Alright, so right now it is a little bit elevated with the result that the chain is less tight, but let's just see whatever happens this time. So starting the software again. Yep, that's one. That's two. That's three. And that's 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Oh wow, that goes wonderfully well, except for that one. Those balls need manual help, and they all need manual help. But they are picked up great this time. And because of the higher speed, they are also let go on top here from the chain. Alright, I need to make sure there are balls. So because of the higher speed, they are picked up better. Or scraped off is a better term. Waiting for balls to pass along. Yep. And that goes a lot better. Waiting for the big turnaround of all the balls, because that still doesn't work. But the picking up is a lot better. So that works. Now the question is how to improve the track itself, because this keeps happening. And this looks like something like a flipper box, or whatever this is called in English, where you eject a ball over a circuit. But anyway, this looks a lot better. For some reason all the balls have collected here, which indicates there's a problem right here in the track. And this part is 5 elements above this floor. This is elevation. This is one longer elevation. Here's one elevation. Here's a double elevation. Here's a double elevation. And here it should go gradually down. So apparently this is too high, but then this is too high as well. So apparently what I need is some place where it comes out of this looping, has a maybe even a double elevation here, but then if so, how does it react? How does it respond? And there goes one ball that I didn't want to go. So wherever that goes, right here, caught in cables. But now let's see what happens when I pick it up a little bit and I do it from here. Nope, that is not the way to do. So this is strongly elevated now, as you can see in the curve, and that goes on. Alright, another one. Yeah. Another one. And that fails. Another one. Fails. Okay, so not a solution. Which leaves me with another question, how to solve it in the right way, and that's for next time. So, in conclusion for this episode, this lowest point of the lower chain has been elevated a bit, which dramatically improves the picking up of the balls, but this still doesn't work. With that, I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and leave a comment or suggestion if you like, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter, and please show your support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired, or you can also become a patron, and you may have your name mentioned on my website and with my videos, depending on the pledge you make. See also my website, which is mentioned under this video. This is obviously going to be continued. So for now, have a nice day and bye bye.